important. And so, as we're talking about that today, and I'm very curious, Raj, to hear your approach to recruiting and bringing in intuition, but also Betska, I'd love to start off with, what does that even mean? Like when we're talking about intuition, like how does that come in, and what should we understand about this concept before we even get started talking about recruiting and retention?
Yes, thanks, Marion. Well, science has shown us something quite remarkable. And I was watching a video by Greg Braden recently, and his research was showing that the human heart, right in here, actually has a brain. We know we have a brain here. And of course, all throughout our podcast, I talk about each cell in our body, our 50 to 100 trillion cells, also has a brain. Each cell has a responsibility to do whatever, look after our kidneys, liver, whatever. But the heart actually has an energy inside of it, which shows us that it is also our brain. And it makes so much sense to me because when I'm coaching, for example, and I coach, using my brain and my heart, I use my intuition, basically. So when I'm using my intuition, where am I connecting? Where is that coming from? And I've realized that it's coming from my heart. That brain within my heart is what is making the decision. Because if we just use our logical left brain, how many times does that land us in hot water, right? We make wrong decisions. But when you connect with that energy field, with that brain, so-called brain in your heart, you rarely make mistakes. And this is someone